Introduction of Classification Algorithm 2. Classification algorithms are essential in machine learning for categorizing data into predefined classes. This introduction explores advanced classification algorithms, their workings, applications, and performance considerations. Advanced classification algorithms, 1. K-nearest neighbors, KNN, instance-based learning, classifies based on majority class among nearest neighbors. Simple but computationally expensive for large datasets. To support vector machines, SVM constructs hyperplanes in high-dimensional space, effective for clear margin separation. Suitable for both linear and nonlinear data. 3. Random forest ensemble method constructing multiple decision trees, reduces overfitting. Aggregates predictions for improved accuracy. 4. Naive Bayes, based on Bayes' theorem, assumes feature independence. Efficient and scalable, especially for text classification. 5. Neural networks, interconnected layers of nodes, captures complex data patterns. Requires large datasets and computational power, used in deep learning. Comparison of algorithms, algorithm, strengths, weaknesses, k-nearest neighbors, simple, intuitive, computationally expensive, sensitive to noise, support vector machines, effective in high dimensions, requires careful parameter tuning, random forest, reduces overfitting, handles large data, complex, resource-intensive, naive Bayes, simple, fast, assumes feature independence, neural networks, captures complex patterns, requires large data, computationally intensive. Applications, k-nearest neighbors, pattern recognition, data mining. Support vector machines, image text classification. Random forest, medical diagnosis, stock analysis. Naive Bayes, spam detection, sentiment analysis. Neural networks, image speech recognition, autonomous driving. Conclusion: advanced classification algorithms provide powerful tools for complex classification tasks. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses is crucial for selecting the right method. Ongoing research continues to enhance their capabilities and efficiency.